metabolism didn't slow down after 30. You trained it to. And if you trained it in the wrong direction, you can train it back. You see, most people think, I'm just getting older. My body is different now. No, your body is responding exactly how you taught it to. Here's what actually happened. Not one big mistake, but a stack of small ones. Over time, they turned your body into something slower, softer, and more tired. And the worst part, you don't even notice it happening. Most people over 30 stop training with intent. They may stay active, but they stop doing the kind of work that tells the body to build and preserve muscle tissue. They stop lifting progressively, they stop trying to get stronger, and they stop loading the body. They might walk or they might do cardio, they might even stay busy, but activity and stimulating muscle growth are not the same thing. If you're not giving your body a reason to keep muscle, it completely gets rid of it. And every pound of muscle you lose lowers your metabolism. Then the eating gets inconsistent. This is unbelievably common. People delay food all morning, run on caffeine, then get more reactive as the day goes on. They snack, overeat at dinner, and then they graze late at night. Even if the total calories don't look insane, the body gets trained into instability. Blood sugar swings, stress rises, cravings increase, and fat storage becomes easier and easier. This pattern teaches your body food is unpredictable, so it adapts. More cravings, more fat storage, and less stability. Then stress increases. Work, kids, responsibilities, and your body never fully shuts off. And just so you know, stress isn't bad just because it exists. The issue is when your body never gets a break from it. High chronic stress changes appetite, sleep, digestion, recovery, hormones, and your body's composition. Meaning that a stressed body is not in a hurry to get lean. And then finally, their sleep gets worse. More screens and later nights. Less recovery, more waking up tired, more caffeine, and more cravings. And this impacts your ability to stay disciplined and to work out. The whole thing just feeds itself. Most people think getting enough sleep is optional, but I promise you it is not optional if you want a metabolism that works well. So know your metabolism didn't just slow down because you turned 30. More likely, you slowly taught it to stay in survival mode. But here's the part most people miss. You see, the body adapts both ways. If it adapted into survival, it can adapt back into the well-oiled machine it's supposed to be. That's why I focus on these three levers over and over again. Lever 1 is strength. The body needs a reason to increase your energy demand. You need to lift weights 3 to 4 times a week. Squats or leg press, hinges, pushes, pulls, rows, and presses. You want good, controlled reps. You need enough load to challenge the muscles. And when it comes to your workouts, track it, progress it. This rebuilds your metabolic engine. Lever 2. Structured eating. My 3-2-1 eating method is built around rhythm because your body loves rhythm. Get 30% of your daily intake at breakfast, 30 at lunch, 20 at dinner, and 2 snacks to fill in the rest. It's not sexy, but it's effective. It gets fuel in when your body actually needs it. It cuts down all the chaos. It improves blood sugar stability, which will reduce those late night cravings. This will get your body out of starvation mode. When your body knows food is coming, it stops panicking. Lever 3 is stress and recovery. This includes a healthy sleep schedule, shutdown routine, daily walking, screen control before bed, simple breathing, and basic decompression. Now, you don't need to become a monk or something like that, but you do need to stop acting like your body can live under constant pressure and function the way it's supposed to. And this is where most people mess up. They try to fix a slow metabolism by doing more damage, more cardio, less food, more fasting, and stricter and harder deficits. All that's going to do is just make things worse. This is why every person who joins my community or starts working with me within the first few weeks say, I feel like my body's finally working the way that it should. Their energy is better, they're stronger, and they aren't thinking about food all day. Inches are coming off and they don't feel insane anymore. This is the real win that comes first, and then the weight scale change follows. So if you're over 30 and you've been telling yourself that your metabolism is just slowing down, stop there and be honest. Take a look at what changed. How much muscle did you lose? How inconsistent has your eating become? How stressed are you really? How bad has your sleep gotten? Because the moment you're able to diagnose the real causes, now you're finally able to take control and get the power back. Your metabolism didn't just slow down. You trained it the wrong direction. Now let's train it back. If you want help doing that with a real system instead of just guessing, that's exactly what I do inside Fitness Emancipation. Use the link in the description below to get a free week inside my community. And make sure to get the free bonus, a strategy call with me to build a personalized roadmap so you can start shedding pounds this week. Stop punishing the body and let's start rebuilding it.